What's up guys, Bradley Sutton from Helium10 here, and this video is about our Chrome extension Xray and particularly how you can download or even take a snapshot of the data that you pull up. All right, so I'm here and I just searched for collagen peptides powder. I'm gonna hit our Chrome extension, then I'm gonna hit Xray. It's gonna give me tons of relevant data about what's going on this page, what everybody on page 1 is doing. Now, let's say this is something I'm doing my product research and I pull this up and I'm like, this has a success score of 31 or whatever the success score is. And this kind of hits my criteria of a niche that maybe there's some opportunity here. I wanna share with my friends on Facebook. So I wanna take a snapshot of this, of everything here, but I don't want them like knowing what I'm searching for. So I really wish I could gray all this out. Well, we do all that work for you. All you have to do is mouse over here, export as an image, and it gives you this screenshot here with everything already grayed out. So there is no data here that's going to give away what product niche you're in. So you can post it on a public Facebook group and say, hey guys, take a look at the numbers here and let me know if you think this is something viable without giving away your secret idea. All right. So that's one way that you can export it. The other way is the button right next to it, and it's called Download CSV Report. All right. So this will give you all the information in Excel so that maybe you want to later go in and take a look at it, or maybe you want to play around with a number. So I'm going to hit this button. It's going to download it right here. And let me just show you how it looks like once you have it in Excel. It breaks it down. It's going to tell you which ones are the sponsored products, which is it'll have a dollar sign, right here. Now, what I could have done before I downloaded, I could have deleted those and then it wouldn't have downloaded. But if you wanted just a snapshot of everything, it's going to give you that right here. And as you can see, every single column that was on the actual Xray results, now you have in a sortable and format here within Microsoft Excel so that you could save this and play around with this data as you see fit. So again, guys, make sure that you're going ahead and using these two cool new features, exporting as image and also downloading as CSV report. Thanks, guys.